Hello everybody, namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So these are few previous videos that I have uploaded and few are very requested videos. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, do take a moment to check out all these videos, and you can definitely go ahead in video section and get all the updated about my channel. I'm looking forward for your support, and you can definitely go ahead and support me by subscribing to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following for a little while, you already know what my channel is about. But just in case you're watching this face for the first time, do not forget to check out my other videos so that it will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a particular serum that I have been using for like 15 days, and I do see a noticeable change with the texture of my skin, and I'm very sure that 15 days is not pretty much enough to see the changes, but when you can feel the change in the texture of the skin, that's in where you get to know that it is doing some good to your skin. So if you really wanted to know what I'm talking about, so please keep on watching this video till the end to get to know that if you should be using this cream and which all the skin types can use this particular serum. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. But before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment, and please follow me on Instagram as Rituparna_Datta_Deb, and also follow me in the Facebook as Riya Sweetie Datta. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So I'm talking about this Garnier Vitamin C serum. So the outer packaging was little of a Garnier kind of, but I kind of ordered this like 20 days back, and due to this COVID and all of this situation, I've kind of discarded the outer packaging. But when I give you a closer pic, it somewhere looks like this. It claims that it claims that it will lighten up your spots or darks or any pimples. So this is Light Complete Speed Vitamin C serum, and this is dermatologically tested. So I think all the skin specialists have already tested, and everything have been done dermatologically. It is 30 ml of the product, and it retails for like $349 or $99, somewhere around this. And by the way, it has in the outer packaging it was mentioned of all the ingredients, so they are very transparent about all the ingredients that this serum has, along with the percentage of or how much quantity. Please ignore this, I just did the video. So coming back to the usage of it, you can use it in the clear skin. So usually what I do is since it's a vitamin C, I make sure that I do not just use this serum and go out in the sun. However, we are in the quarantine, I'm doing work from home, so I'm not going out or exposed to the sun rays directly. But again, if there is a caution that whenever you use this, do not go out in the sun without using the SPF. So along with the serum, please use SPF and then go out. So what I was talking is, whenever I whenever I bathe or I come out from shower with a clear skin, because whenever I bathe I always do the face wash. So with the clear skin, you should always use the serum. Coming to the serum, this is really hydrating, by the way, and you just need 3 to 4 drops. So what I do is, when I come out, I just take in here. It comes with a dropper, so it is a functional dropper, by the way. So you just take 2 drops here, and then you just gently massage it. Now the best thing about the serum is, I've used a lot of serums, but they are not supremely absorbable to your skin. I mean, it takes a little while to get it absorbed to your skin, but this serum actually is really different. It easily gets blendable in your skin, and it hydrates your skin to a greater extent that I think till 7 to 8 hours I do not feel that my skin needs hydration. So that's what I feel about this serum. This is really hydrating. And coming to the lighting up, by the way, if I give you a closer pic, I do had a pimple spot over here. This is an acne spot. I got it during my menstruation cycle, which I usually get every month. So even this was little lighten up, like 15 days it got lightened up. Then I have a little scar over here that got lightened up. So I think this does a great job in lightening up any kind of spots that have. But again, it's a gradual process. It will not do just within 10 days of use. This is not a magic. So this is something which has a hyaluronic acid, which is something which, you know, gives skin little hydration, and at the same time it cleans off the dead cells and it really lightens your skin. So I think that is there. And vitamin C itself is very important for your skin. I think before the serums, vitamin C tablets used to be there, and I think that if you use it, vitamin C generally helps to lighten up your skin tone. It gives a glow from within, which I really felt after using this serum. So if I don't wear makeup also, I can see the glow on my skin, which is something I really love about the serum. Now coming to which all skin type can use. My skin is a combination. Now when I say combination skin, my T-zone, so I mean this area, and this area. So the T-zones are really oily. So the combination skin can use. Even the acne prone skin can use, because this gets really absorbed to your skin, and definitely dry skin can use it. So I can assure you that this is good for all the skin types. Now my skin is combination as well as sensitive skin. So even for sensitive skin, it did not do any bad to my skin. In fact, it enhanced my glow from within. Now I don't believe in the concept of getting fairer or lightening up your skin tone. I do not get into that concept. What I understood by the use of lightening is, if you have any scars, it will lighten up your scars, and at the same time it will give you a glow from within, which I have actually felt after 15 days of use. But I will definitely recommend it to use for about a year or so, and I think that's in where you can get the complete change. But 15 days were very good enough to clear up my scars, to give a glow from within, and at the same time hydration. Now hydration is something which is very important for a good skin type, so I highly recommend this. This has become my favorite serum ever since I have heard about it. I thought of using it, but Garnier products do not go really well with my skin, but so I was a little skeptical. But fortunately I thought of getting one vitamin C serum, and fortunately I got my hands on this, and these are really good, and I thoroughly use it every day religiously, and trust me, you will find a difference. And that's pretty much for today's video. So a big thumbs up. A disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I got this for myself, and I got it from my money, and this is an honest review. So I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying it, but I felt it. After 15 days I'm giving you the review. So I will see you in the next video very soon. Stay tuned, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.